Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this granny square. I will use lighter color for the tutorial because it's very hard to see every steps by darker yarn. You can choose whatever color you like for your own project. What we need for this tutorial are 4mm hook. I use 8-ply yarn here. You pick 2 colors, scissor to cut the yarn, and pin if you are a beginner. We start with a magic circle. Pull the yarn over, chain 1. If you don't like magic circle, this is the other way you can do. Wrap the yarn on your finger like that and pull the yarn over, chain 1. Hold the circle with your ring finger and the thumb. Make a single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we make a double crochet in the magic circle. Pull the yarn over 2 loops. Pull the yarn over 2 loops. Another double crochet in the magic circle. Third double crochet in the magic circle. So far we made 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the magic circle. Chain 3 and make 1 single crochet back to magic circle. This is 1 set finished. We are going to make another 3 set. So chain 3. Now we just follow the pattern, make another 3 set, and we come back and end. So now I made 4 sets in total. Pull the yarn tight, slip stitch to the first stitch, and chain 1. Before you start the second round, remember you can crochet this end together, or you can just leave it and weave in the end and the end. Make a single crochet in this 3 chain area. Insert the hook to the chain area. Make a single crochet. Chain 3. Following, we are going to make these 3 stitches become 1 stitch. Make 3 half finished double crochet. Yarn over hook. Make half finished double crochet. So insert the hook to the first stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops, and just leave it there. Yarn over hook. Insert the hook to the second stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops. Yarn over the hook again. Insert the hook to the third stitch, pull the yarn over 2 loops, and pull the yarn over 4 loops. Chain 3. Now we are going back to chain area, make another 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Make a single crochet from the following chain 3 area. Chain 3. Now we are just going to repeat the pattern. Turn 3 stitches into 1 stitch. So make a half finished double crochet from the first stitch. Half finished double crochet from the second stitch. Half finished double crochet from the third stitch. And pull the yarn over 4 loops at the same time. Chain 3. And back to chain 3 area, make 1 single crochet. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Slip stitch to join to the top of the single crochet. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. Now we are going to change the color. Insert the hook to the bobble stitch. Pull the yarn over, chain 1. Now we make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook. You can see a Y shape here in the middle. So we are going to crochet in this chain area. Insert the hook to the middle. Make a double crochet. Push the hook out through the chain area. Pull the yarn over a little bit longer. Pull the yarn over 2 loops and chain 2. We're going to make another double crochet on the left side. Pull the yarn over. That's another double crochet and chain 4. And snip stitch to the bobble stitch. Chain 4. So we are going to repeat the pattern. Make a double crochet on the right side of the Y shape, and then chain 2, and then make another double crochet on the left side of the Y shape. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Now it comes to the end. Chain 4, snip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. We are going to crochet 2 single crochet in the chain area. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. We make 4 double crochets in the chain 2 area first. 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, and then make another 4 double crochets in the same chain area. 2, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. So that's the corner. Make 2 single crochet from the following chain area and 2 single crochet from the next chain area. Now we go back to making another corner. So make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, chain 3, and make another 4 double crochet in the same chain area. 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and make 2 single crochet from the following chain area. 2 single crochets in following chain area. Now we are going to make another corner. 4 double crochets, 3, 4, chain 3, and make another 4 double crochet from the same chain area. 2 single crochets from the chain area and 2 single crochets from the following chain area, and make another corner. 4 double crochets, chain 3, and 4 double crochets from the same chain area, and 2 single crochets from the last chain area, and snip stitch to join to the first stitch, and chain 1. The first stitch we're going to make double crochet. Normally you make 3 chain instead of double crochet, and crochet the second stitch as normal. I personally like in the other way to crochet the first double crochet. I make a 1 single crochet first and pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back, yarn over hook, pull the yarn over 2 loops. That's how I normally crochet in the first double crochet. So in this way, it's more easy to find a stitch at the end when you join together, and it's also more closer look to double crochets. This is in the last round. Simply crochet, double crochet in each stitch. For the corner, we make 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and make another 2 double crochet from the same chain area, and then following crochet double crochets for every stitch. Follow the pattern and finish the round. Here comes to the end of the round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. And this is how you make this granny square. Please remember to like the video and subscribe for more crochet videos. See you next time.